This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Leon McDaniel. Handy person wanted. Windows have been replaced, recent electrical panel. Owners started redoing. Need someone else to finish. Huge front screened porch overlooking the nice fenced-in lawn. Privacy fenced-in backyard west/2 sheds too. This property is priced right, even with repairs there will still be plenty of equity. For the most current info on this property, call Leon at 321-480-0548 for more information, review the details below or contact Leon McDaniel at 321-480-0548.